so I am just getting home from work, and actually I went to go exercise after work before picking my daughter up from after school. Just got out of the shower, and when I got home today, I'm not going to show the name and stuff on it. Well, I'm going to try to, not to, but I was about to do it. This big old box, which is heavy. See how long it is? Okay, this big box was at my door. I had already got a message saying, like, okay, you have a package waiting. But y'all, this is embarrassing, but I'm going to be honest. I don't even know what this is. Like, sometimes I just see things and I order them because I want them at the moment, and I really don't know what this is. I thought it was one thing, but the thing that I thought, Tampa Bay, no clue what this is. The thing that I thought it was would come in a little box like this, so I would not understand why they would put it in something big. And then I can't find the scissors anywhere. Like, we have so many scissors in this house, but all of them are disappeared. So I'm using this knife. My husband won't get me because this is one of his chef knives. But in my defense, I did buy it for him as a gift. That don't mean I can mess up. So I'm using this knife to open this because I don't even know what it is, y'all. I promise I don't. And we're going to, I hope this is not embarrassing, but I'm going to reveal it on camera with y'all. Oh! Totally forgot about this. This is from Carvana. I actually did a video on it where they gave me a free gift and you get to go on the website and order something, and I ordered a chair. So I don't want to really pull it all out like that, but I guess I need to, right? So you guys can see it. Well, I don't think I want to pull it all the way out, but yeah, it has a cup holder. Okay. What the heck, I will. So this is my chair, and, oops, sorry. Ooh, look at that. So this is my chair. Hopefully you guys can see. So that's my Carvana chair. Well, thanks Carvana for my free gift. I got a $20 voucher. This shit was $20. I could have got like something else and added $5, or got something else and still had money left over. And I'm like, no, I'm just going to get the chair. When the summertime comes and I need to sit down, I'm going to be able to pull it out of my trunk and sit down. Thank you, Carvana. I didn't even know what this video was about to be about, y'all. I was just like, I don't know. Because I have so many boxes coming to the house because I have ordered like a lot of things. I didn't have enough storage and my phone just went off. But so I don't really know what part of that y'all got. But yeah, I didn't know what it was because I've been ordering a lot of stuff lately. And I'm waiting on like several packages. So I had no clue what it was. I thought it was going to be something, like I said, that came into a little box like this that I've been waiting on that should already be here. Or maybe my lingerie. I'm having a hard time finishing this video. Like, I don't know what's going on with my storage. But yeah, I was saying it could have been my lingerie from Rihanna, the Savage Fendi. I'm waiting on that. I'm waiting on a weight loss product that I'm going to try. And I'll do an unboxing on here whenever I get that. I was waiting on Carvana. I'm waiting on a gift for my husband. I was about to say fiance. What is wrong with me? That was like so 6 months ago. But yeah, I didn't really know what it was. But I'm glad that it was my Carvana chair that I got as a gift. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share all of my YouTube videos. Give this video a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.